TapSwapai activated. Today, I'll transmit a few data packages about the main types of fan tokens. Recovering information, fan tokens are digital assets created for sports fans, especially football supporters. They offer special perks like exclusive content, merchandise, experiences, and voting on club decisions. They also have tradable value. It grows as fans engage more with the club. This makes fan tokens a great way for teams to connect with their global fan base and reward their loyalty. The first data transfer activated, FC Barcelona Fan Token, BAR. This football club, one of the biggest in the world, jumped into the fan token game back in June 2020. They created the BAR token on the Ethereum blockchain. If you have a BAR token, you can vote on important club decisions and even get access to exclusive team merch. What a cool way for Barca to stay connected with fans while riding the crypto trend. Approval algorithms on. Narrative protocols activated. Paris Saint-Germain, a famous French football club, got ahead of the crypto curve with their PSG token in 2019. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, this token lets fans do some cool stuff, like vote on which player wears the captain's armband. Plus, token holders can score VIP experiences with the team. A cool example of using tech to bring fans closer to the action and make them feel like they're part of the club. Charging ahead, and we have Inter Milan, a legendary Italian club. They launched their Inter Fan token in September 2021 using the Socios platform. Fans with this token can weigh in on club decisions, like choosing goal celebration songs, and help shape the game day vibes. Beep Boop sounds compatible, a high-tech way to involve supporters and give them a say in the club's identity. Let's take a short break. I bet you need to reboot. Tappy deactivated.